Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial series on our video interaction solution. Today we are going to go over one of the common use cases of this product, field support. Let's get started. One of our customers is facing an issue and has reached out for support. Our agent, Akil, receives this request and starts the call. He will need to indicate a reference code for recording purposes and either select one of the recent numbers or type out the phone number of the customer. The invite has been sent. Our customer Stephanie will receive the invitation through SMS and may click on the link to enter the call. No download or installation is required. There will be pop-ups on her internet browser to request for access of her microphone and camera. She may then connect with Akil. Stephanie begins to explain the issue to Akil. Akil can request for her GPS location for recording and security purposes. After these details have been confirmed, Stephanie will flip to her back camera and illustrate to Akil the issue that she is facing. Akil will take the opportunity to take a high-definition snapshot and annotate on the image to indicate what needs to be changed. All images are saved in the call log. Stephanie can make the necessary changes as per the instructions given, take a snapshot again, and annotate what she has changed. The issue has now been resolved. Our customer, Stephanie, is happy, and our agent, Akil, proceeds to end the call. It's as simple as that. Now you know how to use our video interaction solution for field support. Check out wavecell.com to get more info on Asia's leading cloud communications platform. See you soon.